common trees are oaks, beeches, walnut trees, lime trees, sycamores, aspens, elms, tulip trees, birches. They usually have broad, flat leaves of temperate rainforest trees because they lose water fast. Trees change color and drop in the autumn, then regrow in the spring. Trees in the
Some of the items that you would want to carry in your survival pack would be things such as water, any food that you could bring and stick in this backpack. Maybe something like a machete, some rain protection because the temperate rainforests have lots of average rainfall. Some bug protective clothing for the summertime, as there are lots of insects that will love to bite your skin and suck your blood. A winter coat because temperate rainforests are seasonal and there is a cold winter. A compass, a native plant guide, a fire starter.
The animals that are not able to adapt to migrate in the winter, there is a huge diversity of life and very few mammals due to the absence of series of sophisticated legs and backup vegetation seasons.
The seasons in the coastal coniferous range from dry, hot summers to wet winters. Fog provides about 7 to 12 inches per year. Mild climate due to their closeness to the ocean on one side and the mountain ranges on another. Average annual precipitation of a temperate rainforest biome is 20 centimeters and to like 350, and it rains about 60 to 28 inches each year.
Plan for shelter in these temperate rainforests would include our tarp that we brought in our nature pack, lots of trees and branches as these forests are completely full of trees, plant leaves for rain protection, and finally a pit for our fire to keep us warm in the cold winters and to cook our food.
Some of the native animals are the Roosevelt elk, the mule deer, the snowshoe hare, the lynx, wolves, salmon, and raccoon.
Temperate evergreen forests are common in coastal areas, regions that have mild winters and heavy rainfall, or inland in drier climates or montane areas. Biggest temperature rainforests are located to the Pacific coast of North America, extending from Oregon to Alaska for about 1,200 miles. Also located in southeast coast of Chile, South America, plus other coastal strips exist that have temperate rainforests, such as small parts in the UK, New Zealand, Japan, South Australia, and Norway.
Humans impact the temperate rainforest because of deforestation, biodiversity loss, pollution, and habitat loss. Threatening organisms are the black bear, the bobcat, the mountain lion, and the devil's cup.
Unique factors in the temperate rainforest are that some soil in the temperate rainforest receives more light than other parts. The coastal mountains and the air blow from the Pacific Ocean cause the mild weather conditions. Plants use the tall trees so they can get brighter sunlight.
There are lots of indigenous plants in these temperate rainforests that you could eat, such as blackberries, salmonberries, thimbleberries, and mushrooms. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Many renewable resources in the temperate forest are timber, light, and water. Remember, kids, piracy is a crime.